at the end of the day. So in this next topic, we're going to talk about Tesla Superchargers, and that looks like Tesla Superchargers have installed more Superchargers in Q1 than any other EV charging network. And that's kind of like one of the main benefits to buying a Tesla, right? You get access to this built out network that's really easy to use, that you just drive up to, plug in, and then you're immediately charging right away. And that's not the case at some of these other EV chargers, because they're not just owned by the same brand and network. So we're going to jump into that. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Down below in the description is a Patreon link, so definitely check it out. And if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, as I like to talk, but basically just getting the best deal on Tesla at the best financing rate. So definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. So shout out, of course, to Inside EVs again. Tesla installed more DC fast chargers in Q1 than any other EV charging network. You can see right here, there is a chart from EV Adoption Tweet. Tesla continues to lap the other US DC fast charging networks, having installed nearly 1,300 direct current fast charging ports in Q1 of 2023, or 59% of all direct current fast charging ports. You can see right here in this infographic, Tesla almost 1,300 installations. EVgo actually coming in at a second place at 250. I actually did not know that EVgo is at that fast of a pace. I definitely would have thought Electrify America, like what's up? Even Electrify America is actually dead last on this chart for Q1. So what is going on here? Because a lot of other OEMs, a lot of other brands are partnered with Electrify America. Maybe this is not a good representation because maybe Electrify America has more charging stations than some of the other ones, but they're not installing at a fast rate at all. And this is crazy, like 13, like this is like what, it's like triple, like 10x, 20x, 100x versus this second one. So definitely some pretty interesting stuff. And that's one of like the main benefits to buying a Tesla, right? You get access to this really built out, really thought out network for DC fast charging that you literally just drive up, plug in, and it starts charging immediately right away. I mean, usually like when you're driving an EV, every kind of minute of charging counts because you're basically there for 20 to 30 minutes to charge from 10 to 80%. And so any minute that's a delay, maybe even 5 minutes, that eats into how much time you actually have to sit there at a charger. So definitely pretty interesting stuff. I mean, not surprising with Tesla's number of chargers out there. And now they've got what, $8 billion from the government to build out even more to expand their charging to open up to other EVs with the Magic Dock CCS combo at the end of the day. So definitely some pretty interesting stuff. But we're going to jump into our next topic and our last topic. But before we do that, this video is actually sponsored by my Patreon link. Definitely hit that. Check it out down below in the description if you want to support the channel. Actually, we'll